In traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, every person carries cancer cells in their body. The difference between those who develop cancer and those who do not lies in the internal environment. The key factor is water metabolism. When body fluids circulate and drain normally, cancer cells remain dormant, harmless, like children who never cause trouble. When fluids stagnate, forming dead water, what TCM calls phlegm-dampness, the environment becomes like a swamp, allowing cancer cells to thrive. In TCM theory, the kidney governs water, stimulating specific acupuncture points such as Taixi, kidney Yuan source point, and Fuliu, the mother point of the kidney meridian, can restore fluid circulation. Paired with Guanyuan point at the lower abdomen and moxibustion therapy, we can warm the yang, promote qi transformation, and help the body vaporize and excrete excess fluids. Qi transformation means the water you drink is warmed by yang energy, transformed into vapor to nourish your whole body, and excess fluid is expelled via urination and sweating. Without enough yang, water remains cold and stagnant, creating the perfect breeding ground for inflammation and tumors. The TCM approach to cancer is not to attack tumors directly with surgery, chemotherapy, or radiation. Instead, we change the ecosystem inside the body, drain excess water with herbal formulas like Wu Ling San, cut off the nutrient supply by avoiding refined sugar, processed food, and genetically modified grains, while eating whole, unprocessed foods such as brown rice and buckwheat. Strengthen yang qi so healthy cells flourish and harmful cells cannot survive. A truly healthy body is defined not by fluctuating lab numbers, but by balanced yin-yang, warm hands and feet, deep restful sleep, good appetite, regular bowel movements, and strong vitality. When the internal environment is clear waters and bright mountains, yang qi shines, healthy cells prosper, and pathogenic cells naturally fade away. This is the wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine. We heal by restoring harmony, not by waging war.